morning to all my dear students. This is your IT period, and today we will start a new chapter, Logo Primitives, chapter number 10, page number 46. So please take out your books and open page number 46. We are going to study about the commands of logo, and today we will learn how to make shapes using the turtle. So all these are new words to you, so I will introduce you with few new words. So first of all, as the name of chapter is Logo Primitives, so what is a logo? So logo is a programming language. Okay, it is one of the languages to communicate with computer. Just like us, we know and we understand Hindi, English. Just like this, logo is one of the language if we want to communicate with the computer. And what is the meaning of primitives? So the command given to the turtle are known as primitives. Now we have to study about turtle, the full form of logo. So let's start. What is the full form of logo? So logo stands for language of graphic oriented. What is the full form of logo? Language of graphic oriented. Logo can help you to draw figures, type text and perform calculation. So how logo can help you? It can help you in drawing the figures, typing the text and performing the calculations. So about this we will study in next class. So before that, today I will introduce you to the MSW logo and will teach you how to work with logo. When you start the logo program, a triangle called turtle. As you can see that this kind of screen will and between. So this triangle is known as logo turtle. With the help of this turtle, we used to make the shapes. When you start the logo program, a triangle called turtle appears on the graphic screen. So first of all, learn about what do we call to different part of this screen. This is the main screen, which is present on the top. This is main screen where we used to draw the shapes, perform calculation, etc. So our turtle is present on main screen, and when the turtle is present at the center of screen, we called it home of turtle. This is command box, which is below the main screen. In this command box you can see that which commands we have used to draw a particular figure. Now we have input box. Input box which after that we can see that command in command box. This is the screen. Here drawings are of the turtle. The turtle moves on the screen according to the given command. As per you command to the logo turtle, it will perform that task. The commands you type in are entered in the input box and recorded in the command box, as I told you. And what are primitives? The command that we give to the turtle are primitives. So here we will study about some basic commands or primitives. So for forwarding the turtle, we use the short form FD, forward, in forward direction. And what is the meaning of n? N can be any number. It will take our turtle in forward direction by n steps. N can be any number. Then we have another command, back, and its short form is BK. Again, n is any number. It can be any number. It is up to you how much steps do you want that your turtle will cover. Next one is write. For that we can use RT as short form, and we have to write that RT or any short form we want to give command to our turtle in the input box, and after executing it you can see that in command box. For left we have LT. For right and left, RT and LT, it turns our turtle, this command turns our turtle by n degrees. For RT, our turtle will move in right direction by n degrees, and for left LT, our turtle turns in the direction of left by n degrees. So before going to other commands, let's learn how to use these 4 commands that are given in this box. So let's start. If you have any system with you, then you can download MSW logo in your system. You just have to write MS logo Windows download, and then you can download it. So I have installed that, and I have Microsoft Windows logo on my desktop. So let's open it by double clicking on it. You will get some about for MSW logo, so do OK. So as you can see, the window here appears is of MSW logo. This is MSW logo screen. You can see that. In this we have options like file, bitmap, set, zoom, help, and for executing the command we have input box here, command box is here, and these are our commands. Here if we want to execute what we have input, so we have to press execute. So first of all, let's start with this screen. As you can see, this screen, we call it drawing area. We used to draw the figures on this drawing area. You can see this, there is a turtle shape of thing. We call it, this is triangle shape of figure, and we call it turtle. This is turtle. With the help of turtle we used to draw the images. As it is given in your book, there are some commands, some primitives that are given in your book. So the commands which we are using in the MSW logo, we call it primitive. Okay, we call it primitive. That is why we call the commands of MSW logo as primitives. So I will show you how to use this. First of all, after installing this, you have to give the command here. This is our input box. Here we have to give some input. As in your book it is given that to move my turtle into the forward direction. So check your book, there is given a command to forward your logo. Our shortcut key is F D. Suppose I want my turtle to move 50 steps, so I will write FD 50. Now I have written FD 50 here. Now next step is to execute. I will take my cursor to execute, and on pressing the execute button, just look at my turtle. This is the turtle. You will feel that it will actually move in 50 steps in forward direction. So I will press execute. See, it moved to 50 steps in forward direction. Okay, now if I want to move again 30 steps, for example, if I want to move my turtle to 30 steps, F D space 3 0 30. Now again I will click on execute button and my turtle will move to forward direction. Now if I want to change the direction of my turtle to right, so I will write RT. Check in your book, it is given that for right direction we have to write RT. For example, I want to move right with 90 degrees, so 90, RT 90, which is straight, so RT 90. I will execute. Okay, this is 90 degree. Now I want my turtle to go forward in forward direction again. First of all, see, my first command is FD50, then FD30. Now again I will do that, or I can directly write FD80. So if I write FD80, now again we will execute it. So what happens? Let's see. Execute. It will move to forward direction with 80 steps. Now again I want my turtle to come down, because I want to make a square. If I want to make a square, it is not compulsory that every time I have to give it right command, but if I am making a square, so for that purpose I have to move my turtle to 90 degree, obviously. So again I will move my turtle to right side with 90 degrees of angle, so RT 90, then execute it. See, it has moved to 90. Now I want my turtle to forward again in 80. Now execute. See, now again I will move my turtle to the direction of right with 90, so RT 90, RT 90. So let's execute. If you will press enter key also, then you can execute the command. We can see that after the command RT90, my turtle has moved in right direction or right side with the angle of 90. Okay, now I need a straight line, so for that purpose, to complete the shape of square, I will forward my turtle with 80 steps again, because we know that all the sides of a square are equal. So again I will go with FD80. So in my input box I have write FD80. Now this is the time to execute FD80 by pressing execute button, or we can press enter. See, I have executed the last command FD80 and I get the shape of square, and my turtle is here present on the screen. So this is how we have to give command. These are the commands used for making a square, and in next class we will practice some more commands and make various shapes.